All right, these are two separate tools to show the difference between the ones that make something longer or the ones that make it wider. So I probably won't use these under there. Oh, I'll do them both. I'll just go ahead and do them both and stretch it first and then pull it wide with this. These are really nice here for making axes, because what you can do, let's say this is the blade of the cutting edge of the axe. You can put it in like this and work it this way. I'll just go ahead and do it and feather that blade out. So imagine this being the cutting edge, and you want to draw down the beard of the axe, so you put it in here. And you feathered that out, and then you can come back in and you can do your hand hammering. And with a combination of both, you can really get a nice shape in there. This tool will leave, I should probably take down that edge a little bit so it doesn't leave gouge marks in the blade of the axe, but you can hammer those out by hand. But I would say I'll probably do it some other time, but not during the video. But if you're going to make these, radius this edge more than I did. Then you can come in with your hand hammer. And you can see how that makes it really easy to feather out an axe blade in a short amount of time using both methods, the hand hammer and that fullering tool.